Good morning, it's absolutely freezing outside. It's 7 a.m. and today it's fight training and I'm gonna be practicing a bit more advanced kicks than usual. So follow along and let's go to the gym. I feel like I'm improving a lot, but what I'm noticing is that when I'm doing the kick, spinning around, my head is looking all over the place, so I get extremely dizzy. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to look straight forward all the time until the last second before I turn, and then I turn my head around to the other side, so I always look forward and not get dizzy. So I'm gonna try to add a bit of height on the kick and just kind of try to play around with it, because this simple tornado kick is gonna be a foundation to do a lot more cooler kicks in the future. For this kick you need extraordinary hip mobility. When I jump up to kick, my hips feel a bit restricted. So going forward, I'm gonna work a lot on my hip mobility. Workout complete. Today was more just freestyling, having fun, practicing a bit more advanced kicks. Usually I've just been doing basic kicks, but I want to take it to the next level. So if you have any tips for me on how to improve, let me know in the comments. I'm noticing that just freestyling wherever, maybe just shadowboxing a bit while making food or in the bathroom mirror, that's where I actually improve the most, just having fun with it. That's when you get used to the movements. So try it out. Thanks for watching, like and follow for more.